might have got stuck in it.
Oh no, I didn't go over that.
Today our day starts at Beaumont Campground. We're Nikki and Terry. Join our adventures as we just carry on. We love to travel and want to share our adventures. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This was one of Terry's houses growing up. It is now an antique store.
But they're not open.
They're not?
Oh.
Look at the old gas pump. It started raining where we were gonna camp for the night, so we just decided to keep on driving. I was really glad we did not camp for the night. What?
Probably when we go really slow, that's the tires making that grippy noise.
We got stopped at Cache Creek because there was a landslide that had to be cleaned up. got stopped again, so after waiting for hours, we just decided to go home.
they got one man digging. Is that same guy? His dude.
Which guy?
He was doing the flagging back there.
Right. Ooh. Went all across the road though.
Did slough on with it.
You might have got stuck in that, Annie.
Oh no, I didn't go over that.
No, you might have got stuck in that.
I could have drove through that.
They've already piled out a whole... It's probably a lot lower than it was. Hit that like button if you enjoyed our video. As we got close to home, there was a fire between Penticton and Kelowna.